Quick Connect, a video series featuring the great work that our staff members of the BCIU and Pennsylvania Key do every day. Today I'm here with Mr. Rob Rosenberry, our Chief Operating Officer. Mr. Rosenberry, where are we going today?
Today we're at our transportation center along Route 61, and we're here to do a ride-along with one of our great drivers in our early intervention program.
Great, well let's get started. Well, good afternoon everyone. Good to see you. Thank you for having us. And Mr. Rosenberry and I are looking forward to our day. We're here with Mr. John Copley, Mr. Matt Comfort, and Miss Julie Van Leer, and we're getting ready to get started. So talk a little bit about what we're doing today.
Oh, goodness. So you're going to ride along on an early intervention run with probably about 10 kids, we're thinking. You're going to pick up at the Ed Center, and then you're going to see their parents, take them home, and then you'll come back here.
Great, and while we have a few minutes left, let's just go walk around and see what's happening within the office.
Sounds great.
Well, let's walk into dispatch and see what's going on in here.
Good afternoon, you guys.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good to see everybody.
Brian and Jen Pineda. These are our dispatchers for this afternoon. Jen is in charge of our early intervention dispatching. And we have Brian here. He's in charge of all dispatching for all programs.
Ms. Jen, how long have you been with BCIU?
6 years.
6 years. Well, again, thank you for all that you do, especially watching over early intervention runs and getting them on the road every day. And Brian, how long have you been with BCIU?
This would be my 22nd year.
22 years.
Yes.
Well, again, we're grateful for all that you do every day. We know this is a complicated space for us, and again, appreciate your work. All right, well, I'm here with Mr. Matt Comfort, one of our administrators. So tell me a little bit about what's going on here in the garage.
Well, this is where we service about 200 plus vehicles. We have about 6 mechanics, and this is where we maintain our fleet. We have engine replacements, heads are being done on the other side, and really to provide a safe, reliable transportation for our students.
Fantastic. Well, we're grateful for the mechanics and all the work that they do here to keep our vehicles on the road and our buses rolling. So again, thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm here with Miss Wilma, and this is truly her wash area and wash bay. So thank you for all that you do.
You're welcome.
And tell me a little bit about what we have going on here.
We wash buses on a daily basis. We have a schedule that we have to keep. So there's a group of us that get together every day, and we wash the whole fleet.
How many buses and vans every day do you do on average?
On average is at 9 to 10.
Wow, 9 to 10 per day. And it's just why our buses look so beautiful and shiny every day on the road. It's because of Miss Wilma. So again, thank you for all that you do. Thank you. Do what you do here. So what happens? You have to unlock it?
You have to take it out.
Yep.
Put this up,
Okay.
and then you put it in here. And then you put the number.
Let's see. Oh, so this is your key to go in here.
Yeah, you put your number.
Okay, which pump are we using? We're using 6, okay?
You enter. And that's it.
All right, we're getting ready to get on 563. This is exciting. Hello, Miss Lori.
Hello.
Thank you so much for having us today. We are so looking forward to it. So tell me about your pre-trip inspection. What do you do?
Well, what we do is I go around the bus and inside the bus to make sure everything is safe to go. And if I notice any lights that are out or any leaks that are going on, I go right to the garage and ask the guys to help.
We're going to ride with Miss Lori Scheider. She's our driver, and her assistant is Miss Nan Waid.
Fantastic. And this is for an early intervention pickup.
It is early intervention pickup. We're going to take them home.
All right, well, look for us when we come back,
Okay.
and thank you so much.
I'll be waiting for you.
All right. All right, Mr. Rosenberry, come aboard. All right, well, Miss Lori, we're off to the Education Center to pick up our students. Do we know how many students we have today?
We have approximately 10.
Fantastic. And
Yes.
tell me, how long have you been driving with BCIU?
I've been driving with BCIU for now 11 years. The early intervention is it's a spectacular program, and the kids are just amazing. They really are amazing kids.
All right, well, I'm here with Miss Nan. So, Nan, how long have you been working for the BCIU?
November will be 10 years.
10 years. Great. And tell me your role here.
I'm a bus aide. I've always been a bus aide, and I love the little kids. The little kids are like my kids. You know, some of them can be a little bit hard, but you know, you learn to go with the flow and, you know, try to calm them down as good as you can. And that's basically my job. I calm them down, get them buckled in. But Lori gets up and she helps me because It's a lot when they keep putting them on. You know, you got to keep them safe, because if they go for the wheel or they go back out the door, you know, keep with the kids.
Hello, friends. Hi. Come on aboard. Come on. Wow, we're ready to get on.
Okay, she's ready now for you. Bye.
Have a good night.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. Yes.
Yeah, so we'll see Raina tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, we had a very successful afternoon, and thank you, Miss Lori and Nan, for having us today. It's been just impressive to watch you work. You're so kind and caring and supportive and great with our families and our students. So again, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, transportation administrators, for planning this special day. It was a great opportunity to get to see behind the scenes operations, as well as it was a pleasure riding along with Miss Lori and Miss Nan and picking up our students in our BCIU Early Intervention program. Thank you again. The entire BCIU transportation team is outstanding.